What's up guys, Saif Ashraf here. Today we're going to be looking at and unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A14, the best-selling Android smartphone of 2023. Now this might be just because of the price, or it might be because it's genuinely a really good deal. But without anything else said, I got the black color. Let's get straight into the unboxing. Okay, so here we are, the box of the Galaxy A14. As you can see, Samsung logo, TV, and we also have 24-month warranty, but it's for Africa and I live in the United Kingdom. But that's okay. So we do have the black color. Not much information on the box. There was a security seal and I did break that. Alright, so we'll put that to the side. See what comes in terms of manuals. Do they give us a free case? I don't think they do. Okay, so we got our quick start manual guide stuff. Cable, USB-C, of course, just like Apple. Samsung joining the trends. I'm joking guys, don't get angry. I know Samsung did it way before. But as you can see, we have the phone. Let's get the plastic peeled off. And as you can see, the Samsung Galaxy A14 in that black color. And as you can see, there are like little ridges on the back of the phone. That's pretty cool. Got the triple camera set up, USB-C at the bottom. The speakers, also a headphone jack. Very rare to see these days. But yeah, let's see what else is in the box. I don't think much else is in the box except for a SIM ejection tool. But yeah, in terms of unboxing, Samsung have kept it quite simple for their cheapest phone. One of their cheapest phones at least. But yeah, that's what the Galaxy A14 looks like straight out the box. So yeah, that was the quick unboxing of the black color of the Samsung Galaxy A14. Make sure to like and subscribe because I will be coming out with a full review on this phone, explaining why it is one of the most popular phones selling right now in the world. But yeah, with that said, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for a full review, and I'll see you guys in the next video.